This border collie doesn't have any sheep to round up, so he's taken to herding tigers instead. 4.5-year-old Solo grew up alongside the big cats and considers them part of his pack. At this wildlife park in Port Elizabeth in South Africa, his owner explains it's not just tigers that Solo is keeping in line.
He's also got, at the house, he's got hyenas and jackal pups that he interacts with and that he herds and plays with. So his herding instincts are still very strong, and it comes in handy when we come out on our little trips like this.
Despite their killer size and strength, Solo has no problem showing the tigers who's boss. And with just a few hundred Siberian tigers left in the wild, it's just as well some are under Solo's watchful eye.